Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. So as you guys saw from the past couple of episodes, we got this Noma / Murray 927 dual stage snowblower running. We changed the carburetor on it with a Hipa parts carburetor. Runs just great. And put the chain back onto the drive, which was the reason that it wasn't running. Replaced the linchpin into the axle to the wheel hub, and then that's all we did, really. I listed it for $475, and a guy on Facebook Marketplace asked me if he could take a look at it. So in some of my listings I write, we'll trade for 223, 556, or 9mm. If you don't know what that means, then don't worry about it. But people who do know what that means offer me, hey, how many rounds would it take to get that? I says, about $500 worth, right? So 1,000 rounds. So he's like, do you want all 223 or all 9mm? I says, 50-50, whatever you're comfortable with. So today I'm gonna go and deliver it. Forget this. 500 rounds of 9mm and 600 rounds of PMC brass 223 and a couple of ammo cans to drive 25 minutes to Lake Grove, Long Island, where I'm gonna sell this. How about that, huh? Getting ammo excites me more than money. As you also probably remember from the end of the last episode, I didn't think I was, I didn't think I was gonna sell this year. Oh, there's something's up here. This is no good. Let's do the chain. Yep, chain fell off. This is a problem. I didn't think I was gonna sell this, so I'll drain the gas. It looks like I have to check this out and see why it does that. Okay, so I got this in its service position and we're checking it out again. The chain did indeed fall off again. Now, remember in my last episode I noticed that the inner small cog seemed like it was off to the left a little bit, like a ½ an inch, which would cause the chain to come off because it's not exactly lined up perfectly. You know, the big cog and the small cog are not lined up. That's, the small cog is more to the left, so if you turn it, it'll come right off the chain, right? And I just realized it wasn't the small cog that was moved, but rather, check this out. Look at the amount of play with the axle. So basically what I'm missing are a bunch of spacers or shims that prevent this axle from moving. Or if there's a hole over here, which there isn't, but if there's a hole here, it would prevent it from moving. Maybe there's a hole here. No. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find some shims or spacers and put them here to prevent it, the wheels from moving laterally. Therefore the big gear is always going to be directly in front of the small gear so that it won't slip off. And that was the reason why, is because when I try to turn this, you know, pivoting and turning it while I'm moving, the axle will move and therefore come off of the small cog. Can you guys see that? There you go. See how that small cog is over there and the chain? If you move it this way, it'll come off. So it has to be exactly in the middle. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm going to do. So I put this wheel on. This part seems to be good. How the shaft is flush against here. This was the amount of ½ inch difference that I was talking about. How it was shifted a ½ inch that way, you know? So now the small cog is directly behind the big cog, which is fine, right? And I think the issue was really that this side has like this stop, I don't know what you call it. It's like a, you know, it's a shim, but it's one of those stop shims. So it came out a ½ an inch. So if I just push this in, it'll hold it in place. At least that's a theory. Don't know how strong it is. See, will it just slide back out again? It might. Yep, it does. So this is not strong anymore. I think if I took it out and bend the tabs a little, it would work. Or I could just put some shims on there to make it better. So actually I'm an idiot because there's actually two holes. It's outer one and there's an inner one that's exactly a 1/2 inch in. So I put that in there, took up all the space there, put an extra shim in there and make it nice and tight. And look, now there's no lateral movement. No going left or right. So the gear is exactly in front of the small one now, see? So I think that did it. Now we gotta put some gas in here and see if this runs right. Okay, just put some gas in it. Timed it 3 times. Let's go. So I loaded it up as you saw, and it was easy, just drove it up, and now I'm almost there in Lake Grove, just north of Lake Ronkonkoma. It's taken about half an hour. The weather's really nice today, so everybody's headed to the beach on a Friday, you know. Anyway, I'll put this on time lapse when we get there and unload, and hopefully we'll be able to trade this snowblower for 1,100 rounds and 2 ammo cans.
How about the lining? tactical.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.